Are you looking to enhance your cognitive abilities? Perhaps you want to boost your memory, or are simply just interested in keeping brain diseases like dementia or Alzheimer's at bay. Whatever the reason, you'll be happy to know that a certain tiny red berry can help. In fact, consuming this exact fruit regularly can power up your brain's capabilities at any age. So, what is this incredible fruit, and how does it help perk up your mind? Before we reveal it, can you do us a favor and like this video to get the latest brain-boosting information today? Ring the bell for future notifications, and make sure you subscribe to Brain Health Smarts for more videos. Plus, stick around to find out how you can get a free gift. And now, let's get started by finding out which tiny red berry can perk up your mind. And the answer is cranberry. That's right. Cranberries offer plenty of benefits for your brain you might not even have heard of. We'll take a deep dive into the tiny red fruit to look at its nutrients and scientifically proven benefits for your brain. So, let's dive in. Originating from a group of dwarf evergreen shrubs or trailing vines in the genus Vacciniums subgenus Oxycoccus. This tiny red fruit is packed with nutrients that will power up your brain, such as vitamin C, flavonoids, and vitamin E. Cranberries are small, hard, round, red fruits that taste both bitter and sour. This little red fruit was first used to make food, dye fabrics, and make medicines. They were also used to keep sailors from getting scurvy while they were at sea. In the US, they are grown on about 40,000 acres each year. Cranberries are packed with antioxidant flavonoids, including quercetin. Flavonoids have multiple roles for the cells in our brain and target free radicals, inflammation, and blood flow. This type of antioxidant can protect your brain from oxidative stress, which is triggered by an imbalance of these three components, creating an overload of toxins that can damage brain cells and impact memory, learning, and cognitive functions. In an animal experiment conducted in 2014, researchers fed hypercholesterolemic rats with cranberry powder to assess the fruit's antioxidant effects. After giving rats the equivalent 26 and 51 grams in the daily human diet of cranberry powder, they observed significant reductions in free radical levels and inflammation, thanks to the high concentrations of flavonoids found in the berry. One study also found that oxidative stress damages neurons in several brain regions, including the memory processing hippocampus, and psychiatric disorders like post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD are linked to oxidative stress. The trauma that causes PTSD often impairs memory, and in a study conducted on rats, scientists discovered that vitamin C prevented oxidative stress and memory impairment in rat SPS model of PTSD-like behavior. In short, vitamin C reduced memory impairment and all oxidative stress markers. Another study by Harvard Health Publishing pointed out that flavonoids help protect nerve cells against degeneration by reducing inflammation while improving blood circulation in the brain. Flavonoids also promote the growth of new nerve cells in the hippocampus, which is part of your brain responsible for memory. With this type of antioxidants, consuming even a small amount can provide our brains with significant benefits. In just 1 cup, cranberries contain an impressive 8,983 flavonoid antioxidants, making it a powerhouse for the brain. Another antioxidant found in high levels in cranberries is vitamin C. Just 1 cup of this raw fruit contains 25% of the vitamin C you need every day. Vitamin C is an essential vitamin that helps maintain a sharp and healthy brain. Unfortunately, our bodies don't produce it. Therefore, it is vital to watch our dietary intake to avoid deficiency. Being deficient in vitamin C might impair your ability to think and recall memories. This is because vitamin C helps detox the chemical load and cellular waste that damages the brain. And while it's been shown that people with dementia have lower levels of vitamin C, maintaining a healthy intake of vitamin C can have significant protective effects on your brain as you age. An Australian study conducted on a retired community found that supplementing in vitamin C can decrease the prevalence of severe cognitive impairment, while another experiment observed an improvement in long-term memory after mice were injected with vitamin C supplement over 90 days. The daily recommended intake for vitamin C is between 75 to 90 milligrams, and cranberries contains 15.4 milligrams of it per 100 grams. So, while this may not seem like a lot, cranberries' level of vitamin C combined with this next antioxidant can be extremely beneficial to perk up your brain. But before you find out what it is, are you ready for a free gift? Discover the everyday foods that can harm your brain and raise your risk of mental disorders, as well as ones that enhance mental focus, boost mood, ease depression, and much more, by downloading your copy of Brain Food Secrets, the 15 worst and best foods for your brain. Grab your gift by clicking the link in the description below. And now, let's take a look at the last important antioxidant of cranberries. Another important nutrient found in the tiny red berry is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that, just like flavonoids, helps to fight free radicals in the body. But it also works in many ways for the brain. For starters, vitamin E helps with cell membrane stabilization and protects DNA and proteins in the brain against oxidative damage. Along with that, this antioxidant also promotes the production of multiple neurotransmitters, which plays an important role for our attention span and learning abilities. Numerous studies have found that adults who consume a daily vitamin E supplement can reduce risks of Alzheimer's and dementia by up to 30%. Alternatively, a 2017 study observed that adults deficient in vitamin E experience neurological dysfunctions, which over time could lead to cognitive impairments. The daily recommended intake for vitamin E is 15 milligrams, and 100 grams of cranberries contains 1.3 milligrams. Overall, whether it is to prevent cognitive decline or enhance brain functions, it is clear that cranberries are packed with several antioxidants essential for brain health. In 2022, the University of East Anglia in England found that eating cranberries daily could boost brain health and reduce risks of dementia. Over 12 weeks, a group of participants aged between 50 to 80 years old consumed freeze-dried cranberry powder daily, while another group took a placebo. As a result, the study showed a significant improvement in overall memory and recollection, neural functioning, and blood flows to the brain. Surprisingly, experts also observed a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol, which is linked to risks of heart diseases and consequently vascular dementia. And by consuming 100 grams every day, you can reap the benefits of cranberries and perk up your mind. And now, we want to hear from you. Are you going to start consuming cranberries regularly? And if so, what do you hope to achieve? Share your thoughts with our community in the comments below. And before you go, remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us. Plus, don't forget to download your free gift by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a brain-boosting day.